Now let's learn how to create a hypertext. What is a hypertext? Hypertext is nothing but a text which will take you to a particular link. Now when I search for Facebook here, so basically the kind of text which will take you to a particular link, this kind of text is called as hypertext. We will be creating a hypertext using anchor tag. So now here I'm going to have this A tag here. So A tag is nothing but anchor tag. This will have angle brackets open, angle brackets close. And now in between this here, I'm going to put Facebook here and I'll save it. This is not looking like a link. This is just a text. What I want is when I click on this Facebook here, it should be taking me to facebook.com here. Here to this anchor tag, here you need to give an attribute called as href. Href equal to angle brackets open and close. Inside this, I need to copy this link. I should paste that inside the double quotes. In this case, hover means when I take my cursor and put it on the text. As soon as I hover on my text, what is happening? Can you see at the bottom right, there is a link coming here. It means that as soon as I click on this text here, it will be taking me to this link. When I click on this, can you see? Now we have created a hypertext here. This is how you will create a hypertext. Now here when I click on this, a link is opening, but that link is being opened in the same tab. Now what I want, as soon as I click on this here, the link should be opened in the new tab. I want this link to be opened in the new tab. For that thing, here we should have an attribute called as target here. Target is equal to, inside the quotes here I need to have a value underscore blank. Now, as soon as I click on this link, it is opening in the new tab. I want to create one more hypertext. Here I'll do Google. So guys, now what is happening? This Google is coming next to Facebook. It is display inline because they both are coming side by side. I want Google to come in the next line. Here I need to have a BR tag. When I did this, you will now notice that Google is coming in the next line. As soon as I click on this text, it should take me to google.com here. Now, how do I implement that? Here to this anchor tag, I need to give an href attribute. Now, as soon as I click on this Google here, it is taking me to google.com here. I should be having a target attribute here. Here I need to give target is equal to underscore blank. When I did this here, now what is going to happen? When I click on this, that link will be opened in the new tab.